To buy crypto on MetaMask with PayPal, start by opening the MetaMask application on your device. If you do not have MetaMask, download and install it from the official website or App Store. Once installed, create a new wallet or import an existing one. Next, navigate to the Buy and Sell section within the MetaMask app. You will see various payment options including PayPal. Select PayPal as your preferred payment method and you will be redirected to a new page where you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Choose your desired cryptocurrency and select the amount you want to buy. You will then be prompted to log in to your PayPal account to complete the transaction. Ensure that your PayPal account is linked to a valid payment method such as a bank account or credit card. After logging in to your PayPal account, review the transaction details, including the amount of cryptocurrency you are buying and the total cost, including any fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction and the cryptocurrency will be deposited into your MetaMask wallet. It is essential to note that buying cryptocurrency with PayPal may incur higher fees compared to other payment methods. Additionally, make sure to follow best practices for securing your MetaMask wallet, such as enabling two-factor authentication and storing your seed phrase in a safe location. By following these steps, you can easily buy cryptocurrency on MetaMask using PayPal. Always ensure to use reputable and secure payment methods to protect your funds and personal information.